Hey, welcome back to the most innovative shipping container channel on YouTube. And off topic, sort of, for just a second. These are Costa sunglasses. You might say Costa. You say Costa like Costa Rica. If you cut corrugation in these glasses and the sparks hit these glasses, it will scar the lenses. So I've ruined quite a few of these cutting corrugation with my nice glasses on, so I don't do that anymore. So anyway, back to our projects. I've got this old shipping container office that we're rehabbing. So I wanted to walk through it. We're sort of getting ready to cut some walls out, and we're attaching a couple of 20-foot containers to it. So let's flip around and take a look. So we've got kind of a little junk pile going over here, but it's an oddball. It's like a 12-foot wide by 30-foot long. It's cobbled together out of like some 20-foot containers and extra corrugation. So we're going to attach a 20 here and a 20 there, so it'll be a U shape. I was going to chop a 40 standard, because this is standard height, 8'6", in half, but between labor, it's the same price just to make two 20s up here. So we're going to cut this door frame all the way out. So our first cut's going to be right here, and then right here, and then we'll come back in with some corrugation because we need 8 feet. So 8 foot from here, which is the width of a container to attach, is about right here. So we'll add some corrugation back in, and then we'll bolt in the corner post casting, and then we'll put a 2x4 tube here. So that's kind of how it's going to go. The customer wanted their doors back, which are nice heavy-duty doors, and they wanted their P-tacks and air conditioners and all that. So we've cut the doors off. We've got all the electrical out, and that's kind of where we're at. So they picked this up with a forklift and punched the floor up, so we're going to fix that. We've got all the electrical and lights pulled. These lights had a special little key, and they're incandescent, so 15 years old or whatever. So we're going to give these cabinets back, the lights back, the doors, the P-tack, and the window unit. We're going to delete the P-tack, delete the window unit, and we're going to mini split this whole thing. It turns into like 2 or 3 mini splits, different zones. They're going to have the 20-footers kind of segregated, and this is going to be one little area, and so on. So it'll be pretty cool when we get done. And we're doing a loose lay vinyl plank flooring, spray foam, all this other stuff. So I've got a guy that works for me now that used to work for the company that built this. And what they used to do is put the OSB up on the walls and then cut a hole and shoot the spray foam into the OSB, which I thought was kind of interesting. I don't know what you guys think about that. Seems like it would bow the walls out. So you can see here we've got the OSB off, and we're going to redo a lot of this OSB. At least paint it, but just make sure it's upright, looks good. If anything's chipped or messed up or dented, we're going to replace it. So you can see the spray foam here. We're cutting this wall out, and then we'll add the wall back in, like I said, and then the 20-footers will be over here. So we always frame and then spray foam, and I have to jig up the frame inside or tell the spray foam guy, take it easy behind the studs, because that spray foam pushes everything out. So if you frame a container and then you spray foam it, just be aware that your studs can get pushed out. So we're going to get these cabinets out, everything's coming out, and then we'll cut these holes next step, get the floor fixed, and then we'll keep rocking. Bring 2 20s up here. We're going to cut the backs out of the 20s to make those up here, so the doors to the 20s will be facing away. So that's kind of how this is going to go, and then we got a bunch of other projects, so more videos coming. As always, like and share, and thanks for watching.